Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you about the best screen mirroring software for any HyperOS device. So first of all guys, you have to go to Play Store and here search for My Phone Mirror 2. So this one is the application Miracast Mirror app. So all you guys have to do is just install this application in your HyperOS device, and if you want to connect it to your laptop or your desktop, so you have to go to Google Chrome of your desktop and there search for My Phone Mirror 2 application. So this type of interface come, and then click on free download so that it will be downloaded on your device. After downloading, you have a QR code, so just scan the QR code from this device to desktop and then it will be connect automatically. So this is how guys it's work, and make sure guys you have to enter your Gmail account to use. So just set up your Gmail account for this and then you can use as a mirror screen. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.